boys are getting ready to drive. You ready?
I'm ready, my boy.
Hell yeah, dude, let's go. Oh, I felt that one. It felt like it shot a flame. Buddy. I'm not even gonna say the speeds that we were going at, but we ended up catching up with the boys with my homie Carlos right here. This man's a wild driver. The fuck?
That's lunch.
Yeah.
I was cruising 1 and I finally catch it to you guys. I know. I don't think they're cruising over 100, right?
The SVJ was just gone.
That's what he said. He said probably.
It starts going, it's over.
That's what he said. Everybody saw Peter going. Everybody gone. Then stop.
Can't imagine what that must feel like taking off. Was that Nick too? Or was that Brad? Damn.
Hey, he launched it.
Huh?
He launched it. He launched the car.
He did it?
He did it. And then fucking he left the lines of the tires.
That thing's a fucking monster. It's crazy.
Hey, get a video.
You got on video? I thought that car had some pops to it.
Yeah, it has a turbo upgrading.
Okay. So I think we ended up losing a guy. We ended up losing Nick and Brad. We don't see him behind him, and Jose, I think, because I think he was behind us as well. So we're gonna see if we can find him real quick.
I guess I'm like that.
Oh, did you? Yeah, I think it locked up, that's why. Golly, that's an insane sound. So we just got Peter that left right now. That V12 sounds absolutely insane, but we got a Cadillac CTS-V, an LT1 Camaro. We got... Golly, you can still hear Peter from here, but we got the C8 Z06 right here that's converted to the ZRT package, which basically has the carbon fiber front splitter, canards, and then the front hood. And then we also got the big old ZR1 styled wing. He has the ZRT emblems right here, looking super good. And then we have the Alpha A build GTR. This thing is Brad's. It sounds absolutely insane, running on some really clean wheels. And then we got Zaid's new, I think this is a 2024 Nissan GTR. This car sounds insane. It's super, super clean with this purple color. I'm not sure if it's factory purple or if it has a wrap on it, but it still looks really good. And then we have the host of today's event. Well, the host of the pool party, I should say, because it's not really like a big event. It's just a pool party, but this guy has an insane, I think this is a Boost Logic R35 GTR. Shoots some insane flames. Y'all can see the Boost Logic tips right there. Has the same matte color as, I think, Nick's GTR. And then we got the Turbo S right here. This is Kellen's. I might be riding in this one later on today on the way back to the truck. And then we have Aaron's 1300 wheel horsepower GTR. This thing did a launch control earlier and left some crazy lines on the road. We also got the Audi R8. This is Steven's VF Engineering supercharged R8. Has a super big wing. But yeah, right back there, y'all can see the VF Engineering supercharger. And then we have Nick's insane R35. This thing was popping and banging literally the whole way. Or at least I say the whole way until we caught up to them, because we did get stuck way behind. But yeah, it's such a clean car. Yeah, these are most of the cars that we have. We got Carlos's car on the other side over there. We got his cop buddy with the Camaro. And then we have a Mustang. And then we have Jose's insane R35 over there. What do we got going on over here?
Wings, we got some burgers coming, we got some steak coming.
Golly, that looks good.
You can get the whole video of your car.
Oh, we're gonna do a whole friggin' episode of Chef's Kitchen over here. Alright guys, so we're just about to head out from my homie's house, but it was an absolutely insane day. Golly, friggin' R8 is over here revving. Thing sounds so good. Crazy V10. Oh, and then we got Tommy's car started up.
This thing's a monster. Watch your fucking ears.
Yeah, I was about to say. Oh yeah. Crazy supercharged V10, dude. Crazy. They're gonna make Tommy rev his car. It's gonna be so loud. Golly, that's loud. God, even that turbo sounds good. Yeah, thank you, dude. You take care, dude. You got the pump? Golly.
Oh, they go fast.
guys, well that right there will do it. We got a ride from Golly, that thing sounds absolutely insane. Yeah, we got a ride along from my friend Tommy, and we had a really crazy day with all these supercars, so hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, be sure that y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.